Hey YouTube, Julio from JG Photography. So I downloaded the update, firmware 3.1. I'm going to show you guys. So, someone told me that it was because of that update that I needed it in my camera in order for it to be silent when focusing. Um, but that's not the case. So I'm going to show you guys again the sound. Again, I don't know why he's doing that. And as you can see, it has the firmware update, and it's still making that weird noise. I used to have the baddest 85mm 1.8, and I never had that issue with it. So I don't know if I should keep this lens or return it because of that reason. I mean, when you are doing a portrait shoot and your lens sounds like it's breaking, it's not a good look. Anyways, if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, let me know. And also, please don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps me out. And also subscribe for more tutorials or any other news that I may have and I want to share with you guys. Thanks. Bye.